Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to check if you're playing with a bot in Clash Royale. If you've ever wondered whether you're battling a bot in Clash Royale, here are a few telltale signs. Bots usually show up in early arenas or after long matchmaking times. The first giveaway is their deck. Bots often use very simple starter cards without much variety. Another clue is their gameplay. You'll notice strange delays, awkward placements, or repetitive patterns that don't feel like strategy. They also almost never use emotes, and many lack a clan tag or display very generic names. If you rewatch the replay, bots usually repeat the same moves, while real players change up their style. Keep in mind, Supercell doesn't officially confirm bot matches, so they're just strong indicators. Over time, as you gain more experience, it becomes easier to spot the difference between genuine players and AI-like opponents. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.